these bad boys. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. All right, let's trim this thing up. Maybe. Perfect. And I am touching rat poop.
I guess the engine bay wasn't that quite clean yet, was it?
Maybe not quite that clean. It's actually stuck. Couldn't get it off of there. I'm not even kidding.
Oh no.
I'm gonna have to plug them in on the other side of the firewall. Got my professional cameraman with me today. Thank you, bro.
Heck yeah. Freaking. Hey. Coming right off the firewall.
All right, she's on. She's on. Let's fire it up and see what happens. I think that one goes to the boost gauge.
Heck yeah.
Aftermarket
And-
boost gauge.
And it'll hold just like that?
Oh yeah.
Alright, cool.
Sure hope so. I don't think we're making enough boost to really.
Right.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention cold start for you guys. There it is. That power steering pump is gonna go a little loud. All right, bring the camera over here. Look at that. See that right there? That's reading vacuum. It's not at zero now. That's what it was. Nice. All right, guys. We fixed the vacuum leak. I'm gonna probably go through and clean it up a little better and get her going, but figured her out. All right, guys. We're taking her for a quick test run. We're gonna see how much boost this thing's actually making because it maxes out on the factory boost gauge. So just kind of curious. We're gonna see what she does here. I don't know. It's a bumpy road, guys. Bear with us. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see what she does right now. Not as much as I had hoped. She pulls pretty good though. We're doing the speed limit, just so you guys know. We are in Mexico. We're in Mexico right now. Anyways, let's see. Hold on, let me give it another go. It's stinking maxing out the factory boost gauge, but it's like showing like 10 to 12 psi on this one. I'm sad. Oh, there's 15. That was 15 right there for a second. the speed limit. Yeah, we're doing the speed limit, guys. Okay, well, it felt like more boost than that. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but it sounds pretty good. Oh man, this thing's so cool. Yep, and that's a cop. But we're doing the speed limit, so it doesn't matter. So, anyways, you still recording? That's good. That's good. We gotta catch this. All right. Well, anyways, yeah, it's been fun. All right, we're gonna end it here.
The guy stopped it.
Oh, and thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it.